So let's have word problem. So we have here the sum of two numbers is 12 and their difference is 6. Find the numbers. So first thing, we have to make our representation. So let's say that x is the first number and y would be our second number. Okay, so after that, you have to make your equation. Okay, so it says here sum, so it means when we add the two numbers x plus y, that is equal to 12. Okay, and when we say difference, so that it would be minus, so x minus y, that is equal to 6. Okay, and after that, you have to make your solution. So we have different ways on solving this. So either you do your adding substitution or elimination. So let's use elimination method. Ayan, so we get x plus y equals 12. X minus y equals 6. So let's add it. So for this one, it will be cancelled. We get 2x equals 12 plus 6, that will be 18. Divide both sides with 2. And so our x, that is equal to 9. Okay, so since we already have few ating value for 9, we can solve po yung y natin. So using either of the two equation here, so let's try x plus y equals 12. So yung x, palitan lang ng 9 plus y equals 12. So we get y equals 12 minus 9. So our y, that is equal to 3. Okay, so the two numbers that we get here will be 9 and then yung isa po is equal to 3. So if you want to check it, okay, so let's try checking. So palitan natin yung x ng 9, then yung y ng 3. So we got here 9 plus 3, that is equal to 12. For this one naman, if you get 9 minus 3, that is also equal to 6. Okay, so both of it are correct. Here. Okay, so again, you have to make your representation, your equation, and then for the solution, you can use the appropriate method. So pwede din po dito yung substitution, but I choose yung ating elimination since we have yung ating terms na exactly the same but magkaiba sila ng sign. Thank you.